Hey everybody, we are going to be talking about why Facebook leads don't convert, why your Facebook leads don't convert, why the customer's Facebook leads don't convert. Pretty much three core reasons. So let's get right into it. The first thing we want to do is really recognize that we have to know who to target and we have to have the proper targeting, right? So let's say, for instance, that your job was to bring this clown to a birthday party, but you ended up bringing this clown. Well, the people who you bring this clown to, they may not like you very much. They may say you have the wrong clown, stupid. They really wanted this one. When you say, well, you said you wanted clowns, you didn't say what kind of clowns you wanted. And that is really what it's about. When you are going after your ideal customer, you should have an avatar. You should know the kind of people you want to work with, and you should know what they look like, what their habits are, things of this nature. And so where they hang out at, are they married or are they not married? They have kids, no kids, one house, two houses, no houses, are they a renter? And so you really have to figure that out. Figure out who you want to target so that you can make the most out of your marketing dollars and that you don't go and bring back somebody like this, right? So, and it's also the difference between getting people that have this and having people that have this. But there are levels to this thing, right? So whose fault is it when the lead comes in and it doesn't convert? Exactly whose fault is it? Is it the creator? Is it the person who receives the leads? Is it nobody's fault because between the appointment and the closer coming in, they cancel? Is it the closer themselves? So the creator of the Facebook ad specialist, they should take care of the targeting, ad copy, pictures, etc. The lead receiver, otherwise known as a business owner, an appointment setter, or even a customer service agent, they should know how to talk to people, right? They should like people and people should like them. And if they have no sales skills or they don't have any people skills, it's going to make it extremely difficult for those leads to convert. It's very easy for the creator to give leads to the lead receiver, and because the lead receiver lacks different, I guess you can say people skills or sales skills, because they lack those skills and capabilities, if they don't convert the lead, it's very, very common for the lead receiver to go back and complain to the creator, even if the creator has some great targeting, right? And they'll say, well, the leads don't work. And it's not really that the leads don't work, it's that you just don't know how to sell, or you just don't know how to set an appointment. And it's okay if you are the lead receiver and you're listening to me talk right now, that's totally okay, because you can get something called sales training, right? You can get some training where people can actually teach you how to close or teach you how to set an appointment. Now, let's talk about the pre-appointment. If you have too many cancels, you may want to check the appointment setting script that you have. Also, how far are you setting these appointments? Are you setting these appointments 3 months down the line? That's not going to work. A week from now? It's got to be tomorrow or today. And if you can't do it tomorrow or today, it's got to be the next day. But don't schedule appointments more than 3 days out. You're going to lose it. People schedule appointments 3 weeks from now, typically because they're trying to get rid of you and get you off the phone. And so when you call back, they'll just put you on a block list or something like that, or they'll spam your phone number. When you call, they'll hit that spam button. And so Verizon will think that you're a telemarketer, you're some creep, right? And so, but if life happens, then that's normal too. So if life happens and the customer's interested, just reschedule it. That's fine. And then there's the closer, right? Does the closer actually know how to close, or are they just like a kitchen table over the counter closer, right? Where they just take the lay downs, the people that are just like, yeah, okay, I'll just buy it right now, whatever. Those people can be sold, but if they're a lay down, they're a lay down, right? If they're just looking to buy, they're just looking to buy. But it's the people who you actually have to put in some work with that really defines the closer, right? ABC, always be closing. And if the closer is not that good, that's okay too. They can have another thing called sales training. How about that, right? So all of these things can be fixed, but as long as all of these people are on the same page and the scripts and the ads and the people are all congruent, and the lead receiver likes people and knows how to talk to people and set appointments, and the closer knows how to go and make a friend and do some fact finding and then provide some solutions, right? Not close the customer, but provide some solutions and make a new friend. If they can do that, then all these things can work together and your leads can convert a little better. And so I just want to say, I have a new website alert here. I was having someone work on a website for me because I realized a lot of people were contacting me on Facebook, which is fine. Add me as a Facebook friend. It's all good. But if you want to look at some of the stuff that I've done, I have some reviews and testimonials, and I still got testimonials and some screenshots of some things that I've done that I'm going to be uploading there. But go check out the new website. No, I don't have a Facebook pixel on it just yet. I will, but don't judge me for it. So leadgenwithdarryl.com. Check me out. I hope this video is valuable to you. If you have any other questions or anything like that, you can feel free to contact me. When it comes to helping people set up Facebook ads and do targeting, I don't work for free. I do this for a living. So if you do decide to contact me, know that there's going to be some sort of price. But I feel like I have enough free content around here that you can probably figure out a lot of this stuff by yourself. So thanks for watching. I'll talk to you all later. Hope you're staying safe out there.